Hey guys, I'm Simon, welcome to Red Western Bushcraft, and in this video I'm going to pressure test a bit of backpacking gear on a family camp. Stick with me after the intro and you see how it gets on. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to review Flextail gear tiny pump. Now this is a backpacking pump. It's got no business being on a big family camp, but there's loads of videos out there where it blows up the thermarest and the ultralight hiking pads and the mini things. Today I'm going to blow up 4 full-size family airbeds. I'm going to use the lantern for the next few days, and I'm going to really see how powerful this little guy is. I've used it on my own on solo nights and it has absolutely smashed it. So I thought I'd throw it on a family camp. There's 5 of us camping tonight. Let's see how well it goes, alright? So I'm going to blow the beds up and I'll get back to you once we've finished. So as you can see, this thing has just blown up 2 full-size airbeds and 1 junior airbed. And as you can hear, it's still got absolutely loads of blow left. Now, for the next few nights, I'm going to test out the lantern's nightlight capability. I'll probably have it on for about 3 hours a night, and we'll see how it gets on. So as you can see, it's getting pretty dark now, so I'm going to turn this bad boy on. How it works is you've got a button in the middle, you hold it down, and it has 3 settings: dim, medium, and bright. So this is me being filmed entirely by Flextail gear tiny lamp on its medium setting, and as you see, it lights up the room quite nicely. It's got quite a strong directional beam, and I thought I'd just tell you the accessories while we're here. It comes with a little pouch, and inside it you will get several little attachments. The attachments you get is a little valve for like a mouth blown air pump, 2 or 3 different valves for the foot pump or standing pump ones. You get a screw threaded adapter for not sure what yet, and then most importantly you get a little rubber piece, and this is great for attaching with some of the foot pump attachments, and you can fit that on anything that doesn't quite fit any one of these regular size pieces. So you really can pump just about anything up with it. I've pumped inflatable chairs, stools, I've inflated beds, paddling pool, both paddling pool for the children and the ducks. So it is a really versatile little piece of kit. So this is the second night using the tiny pump. It's on the medium setting. It's been on for about an hour, and as you can see, it's lighting up my tent pretty well so far. So I've had the tiny pump on for 2 nights now. The first night was on the lowest setting, the second night was on the middle setting, and as you can see, there is plenty of power left in it. So I thought I'd take this time just tell you a little bit about the features. It comes with a tiny bail handle. The air intake is on the top. The output and where all the adapters go is at the front. Has a central button around a ring of about 10 or 8 LEDs. To work it, you take a long press for the light and then go through cycle 3 settings, and to get the wind out you double tap and single tap to close it. And that is it. It's a USB Type-C adapter. Got a little red light, tells you when it's charging, green light when it's finished. And that's it. It only takes a couple of hours to charge. It is a fantastic little piece of kit. Don't know the exact weight of it, but I will put it on the screen now. And I'll put it on tonight, have it third night going, and see if I can finally get this thing to die. See you in a bit, guys. So, my final thoughts on the Flextail Gear Tiny Pump. It has performed above and beyond what I expected. This thing is designed as a solo use, a backpacking overnight thing. It is not a family camping piece of tech, yet it blew up 3 inflatable beds. It lit up a 6-man tent for 3 nights, good couple of hours each. So the only downside I'd give this thing is it feels like it's not designed to be used on an extended period of time. So blowing up paddling pools or inflatable sofas or big air mattresses, you can tell it's not supposed to do such an extended burst. Having said that, it is an absolute gem of a piece of kit. And if you are here looking at the hiking side of things, the backpacking side of things, this will do you. It'll blow your air mat up every day for a week. It'll give you a bit of light every evening for a week, I am sure of it. I've tested it on the low, the medium, the high setting, and it has performed as my main source of light most evenings on this family camp. I cannot fault it, I cannot praise it enough, and I'll absolutely recommend it to anybody who's looking for a pump to use in any situation. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you weren't a fan, give me a thumbs down if you like. For my latest video, hit up here somewhere. For some more great content, hit down below. And as ever, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the compass in the middle. Get out, have fun, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.